You're joining me at Warzone Airsoft in Coventry. The first game mode is Infection, and I'm on the team of survivors holding out against the infected.
There's one in the window on my 12. White building behind the green container. There's movement behind.
I've been joined by my good friend Ollie, and this is his first ever game of Airsoft.
Keep your head down, mate. I'm just trying to spot them. Keep your head down, mate.
I'm just telling Ollie to keep his head down, because I don't want him to get taken out too early.
I can hear a lot.
I'm trying to hug this wall
way.
as much as possible and keep an eye out for who's approaching, because my team are putting a lot of rounds down at the enemy. I see an enemy player come through the doorway and tell Ollie to duck in case he gets hit. I take out the member of the enemy team and retreat to cover. In this game mode, if you get hit, you go to respawn and join the team of the infected to attack the survivors. And that's me out of the game, so I've got to go and respawn and join the attacking team now. So this puts me against my former teammates, including Ollie. You can see the heads poking up above that green barrier, so I'll put some rounds on them and then need to reload. Not quite getting the distance, so I'm going to dial in a little bit more hop. One player pops his head up at the wrong moment, and I get a headshot.
Go on, little push, I'm on your 6. Push, push. Okay.
And my charging handle's just broken.
Oh,
Quickly decide to shove it back in and deal with it later. And that's me out, so I go back to respawn to redeploy.
Push 6, mate.
We've gained a lot of ground, so I'm going to push up to the ambulance and advance further. The survivors are now vastly outnumbered, as every member of their team we take out joins our ranks.
What are we doing? You get on me?
I carefully look inside this container, so I'm worried someone might be inside. It appears to be clear, but I stick my head round to check. And then I retreat to cover in case an enemy team member pops up and decides to take me out.
Can't see in there. It's clear, it's clear.
Carefully advancing through the middle of the
Come
depot,
here. Approach here.
indicating for my team to advance as well.
One perch right at the top of the stairs.
The remaining survivors are really hunkered down in cover and staying low.
Yeah.
The only thing to do is push up the stairs. That player narrowly misses me.
One at the top of the stairs, come today.
Getting my team to advance with me, I decide to draw my sidearm as I'm going into real close quarters.
Sorry.
I shoot an already dead player and feel really bad, but he's cool about it. This corner's so tight, I need to approach really carefully. I pop up and I'm hit by a player crouching on the walkway. That's me out for the game, and the game finished moments after that.